Hey guys, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. Hello everyone, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. Everything is fine, everything is perfect, no issues. That's great. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, good evening. How are you guys? Good evening, everyone. How are you guys? Is everybody all right? Is everybody fine? How was your day? How was your day, guys? Good, great, awesome, fantastic, productive. Okay, good. Amazing, guys. Amazing. Keep a positive attitude and always keep on learning something new, guys. Okay, good. Great, guys. Okay, so before getting started, guys, could you guys let me know what have we studied in our yesterday's class? Before getting started, before moving on with our class, could you guys let me know what have we studied in our yesterday's class, guys? What are the topics that we studied in our yesterday's class? We studied about basics of HTML. Good. Uh, Anything else, guys? Anything else? Introduction, basics of HTML. Okay. H1 tag. Good. Anything else, guys? Anything else? Metadata. Good. Anything else, guys? Any other tags that we have studied about yesterday? Any other tags? Difference between CSS, HTML and JavaScript. Overview of JavaScript and CSS. Good. Basics concept of HTML. Doc type. We studied about doc type. Head tag, title tag, body tag. Good, guys. Good. Opening tag and closing tag. Amazing. Amazing. So, quick revision. Okay, just that is the reason why I'm asking to you guys what have we studied in our yesterday's class, so that you guys are able to revise. Just okay, these were the things that we have studied. Okay, and that is the main thing that we have to do right over here. Okay, the next thing that we have to do is that we will be starting off with today's class. Let me first open up the code sandbox. Okay, let me first open up the code sandbox, guys, for you guys. Okay, so we were using the Dreamy Bash. Let me open that up for you guys. And this is what we have done yesterday. We just wrote hello world on our screens. Okay, hello world on our website itself. That is what we did yesterday. Let me just make it just the so that only the code is visible to us. Okay, that is what we have done yesterday, right, guys? Please let me know. Good, amazing, guys, amazing. I tried your example, it didn't work. Ernest, which example are you talking about? Could you let me know? Okay, guys. Amazing, amazing. So let me just open up the live chat on my mobile phone so that I'm able to see your pretty live chats on my phone. Okay, so I've done that as well. Great, guys. So let's get started with that, guys. Let's get started with our class. Okay. So for Tinder class, guys, I'm not getting time, as you're able to see. I'm having two boot camps. After that, I have to take up one training and internship class as well. I have my job in the morning, so I'm not getting enough time to create the video. As soon as I get some time, guys, I will be putting up that video on. Okay, do not worry about it. But I need some time as well. Okay, give me some time. I know you guys are very enthusiastic about the class. So give me some time so that I'm able to get some time for myself to create the video. But no issues in that. Let's get started with the class, guys. Okay. So right over here, like I said, this is the code that we are doing right over here. And then we are having our page right over here as well. Okay. So you look like Kariminati in this haircut. Okay, that's good to hear, I guess. I don't know. Okay, so what are we going to do right now? So yesterday we saw about the H1 tag, right? Yesterday we saw about the H1 tag. Now when you open up a newspaper, right, guys? When you open up a newspaper at any particular point of time, you are able to see that there is a heading, okay, and then there is some content below it, right guys? Please let me know. There's some heading over there and then some content below it, okay, heading and then the paragraph below it, guys. Have you guys seen it? Please let me know. Guys, I'm able to see a lot of people asking for attendance. The class hasn't even started and you guys are looking for attendance. Okay. Just remember this, that in DevTown, there are just two people that are volunteers right over here that have just one work: to find out the people who are just asking about attendance and to make sure that these guys are not given these certificates. Okay. Why? Because you are here just for the attendance. You are here not for learning. So we are not going to give you guys the attendance itself. If you're here for the learning expense, you can come here, learn as much as possible. Okay. But if you're here just for the attendance, I will make sure you're not getting your certificates. Even if you are having 100% attendance, I don't care about it. Okay. It's as simple as that. I want only students who are here to study, only here for learning, that are going to get the certificates. As simple as that. Okay. It is my lookout when I want to showcase the attendance. Okay. So that I will decide. So right over here, you just sit, learn as much as possible. Okay, good. So right over here, like I said, guys, so we are having our H1 tag right over here. Okay, when you open up a newspaper, okay, when you open up a newspaper at any particular point of time, you are able to see a big and bold heading over there and then some paragraph below it as well. On my website as well, on my website, what I'm creating right over here, I want the big and bold heading to be DevTown. I want the big and bold heading to be DevTown, guys. I'll just be removing this hello world from here and I'll be replacing it with dev TOWN DevTown. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to save it right over here, go back to my website, reload my page. As you're able to see now, DevTown is showing up on my screen. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. DevTown is being shown to my screen, right guys? Please let me know. Great. Now I want to add a paragraph below it, guys. I want to add a paragraph below it. I want to add like what is DevTown, what does DevTown do, all these kind of things right over there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my website. Okay, I'm going to take us into About Us page. From the About Us page, I'm just going to copy what I've written for DevTown. So I'm just going to copy one of the paragraphs. Okay, and I'm going to paste it because I don't want to write all that. So now to create a paragraph, just like by using the H1 tag, we are able to make things big and bold. To create something as a paragraph itself, I'll be using the paragraph tag. Okay, I will be using the P tag or the paragraph tag. Now, whatever text that I put in between this opening and the closing paragraph tag, guys, that will be converted into a paragraph itself. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Whatever I want to create as a paragraph, I can put it in between this opening and the closing paragraph tag and will convert it into a paragraph for me. I'll just paste the text from right over here. All the text that I have pasted, as you're able to see, it is in between the opening and the closing paragraph tag. Okay, it is in between the opening and the closing paragraph tag right over here. Now, if I'm saving this, going back to my website, reloading the page, as you're able to see, we are having a big and bold text as well as a paragraph below it. Guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know. Guys, there are a lot of people asking the exact same question again and again related to the Tinder bootcamp. I've already answered it. So if somebody has heard my answer, it would be great if you guys are able to reply back to them so that I'm able to focus upon the teaching aspect of the class itself. So if you guys can help me out a little bit, okay, those students that are asking about the Tinder bootcamp, just answer them if you have heard my answer so that they know what is the answer for that. Okay, just that will be a big help to me as well, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, so the next thing that I want to do is I want to add an image, the logo of DevTown, guys. I want to add the image, that is the logo of DevTown, to my website, guys. Okay, that is what I want to do. So what I'm going to do right now is that first I'm going to find the logo of DevTown. I'm going to download this logo of DevTown, guys. So I'm going to right click on the DevTown logo. I'm going to save image as. Okay, save image as, guys, right over here. Okay, so save image as, then I'm going to save it on my desktop, guys. Okay, same image as and then on my desktop, and I'm going to name it as DevTown. Okay, I'm going to name it as DevTown, guys. Okay, and I'm going to save it on my desktop itself. Right over here, I've saved it. So now what I'm going to do is I want to use this image. Okay, what I want to do is I want to use this image, guys. So I need to add this image to my screen, right, guys? Please let me know. I want to add this image on my screen, guys. Okay, right, guys? So what I'm going to do is to add an image to your website, I'm going to use another tag. Okay, I'm going to use another tag right over there. Okay, that is the img or the image tag. That is the img or the image tag, guys. Okay, as you're able to see, this image tag requires something. Okay, up till now it was just the h1 tag, it was just the paragraph tag, but right over here this image tag has some shit written next to it. Are you guys able to see this shit next to it, guys? Please do let me know. There's something that is written next to it, guys. These are called as arguments. Okay, that are parameters to the image tag. These are called as parameters to the image tag, guys. Now, what do I mean by parameters? Okay, so this image tag actually requires. So, what image do you want to show? Where are you going to tell this image tag that what image do you want to show? Okay, so all these are parameters to this tag. Every tag has some parameters associated with it, guys. Every tag has some parameters associated with it. The image tag has two parameters associated with it, guys. That is the src parameter and the alt parameter itself. Okay, the src basically means source. Src, the full form of src is, guys, source. Okay, and the full form of alt is alternate text. Okay, the full form of alt is alternate text, guys. So these are the two parameters that are there. Okay, what do I mean by source? Where is this image located at? Where is this image? What image do I need to use? What is the source of that image, guys? That is what you need to put in between these quotation marks. That is what you need to put in between these quotation marks, the source of that image. So what I'm going to do is inside of files, I'm going to upload this image. Inside of files, I'm going to upload the image. Right over here, inside of files, as you're able to see, there's an upload button right over here. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to see this upload button? Please do let me know, guys. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to upload my okay, where is it? I just got, okay, yeah, this is it, DevTown. Okay, so I'm going to upload my image, devtown.svg. I'm going to upload my image, guys. Now after uploading my image, I'm going to write in the source devtown.svg. That is the image that I want to show, right, guys? That is the image that I want to show, devtown.svg. That is the file that I've uploaded right over here, devtown.svg. That is the source of the image that I want to use, right? The source of the image that I want to use, right, guys? And then alt, what is the alternate text to it? Okay, what is the alternate text? Alt, basically the full form of alt is alternate text, guys. Now what do I mean by alternate text? What is the use of it? Maybe you live at a place where internet is very scarce. Okay, internet is very shitty, internet is very shady. Okay, you're not able to use internet at any particular point of time. Hey, are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know, guys. Hey, you are not able to use the internet right over there. Your internet is very slow. So in that case, your images won't load up. Okay, your images won't load up for you because the internet is not working. So the images are not loading. So what will happen is this alt, that is the alternate text, will be shown to you instead of the image. Okay, alt is like DevTown logo. Okay, so this alternate text will be shown to you guys right over there. Similar to that, okay, similar to that, for example, if you don't want to use, for example, if you are blind, okay, you cannot see your image. Okay, yes, you are blind, you cannot see the image itself. So what do? You use a screen reader. You're blind, okay, I can't see anything. In that particular case, if I want to read a particular website itself, what will I be doing? I will be using a screen reader. Now the screen reader cannot understand images. Okay, the screen reader cannot understand images, guys. So if you give it the image itself, it will not be able to tell the person. Okay, will not be able to tell the person that what is that image. Aditya Kumar, why are you not teaching us web animation, sir? Aditya Kumar, I've answered this question yesterday. Were you not in the class yesterday, Aditya? Should I remove your certificates? I've answered this question yesterday very clearly. Guys, can somebody help Aditya to make him understand why we are not starting with web animations directly? Why are we learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript first? Can somebody help him out with that? I think so. I've already answered the question yesterday if I'm not wrong. So what happens right over here is that when you are using, okay, ALT, that is the alternate text itself, then in that particular case, in the screen reader reads off the alternate text. It will be reading the entire thing. It will then be saying, now there is an image that says DevTown logo. So it will be telling you that, okay, because you are blind, you cannot see the logo, right? So it will tell you the alternate text inside of that. Okay, it will be alternate text inside of that, guys. Okay, are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. So if I'm saving this right over here, I don't know if it will work or not. Let us go back to our website and reload our page. As you're able to see, we are able to see the DevTown logo on our screen. Okay, we are able to see the DevTown logo on our screen, guys. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know, guys. Right? Now, this DevTown logo is very big. I don't like this. This DevTown logo is very big. I don't like this. Being very frank with you guys, I want to decrease the size of this DevTown logo. To decrease the size of an image, you're applying styling right over there. HTML is able to provide you the basic structure. This is the structure of your website. Now I want to change the size of this image. That is styling. So for styling, what we'll be using, guys? Okay. For styling, what we will be using, guys? Could you guys let me know? Kshitish Goel, sir, no one has contacted me regarding campus ambassador program. I've filled the form 2 times and it's about 7 days. This Goel, can you do me a favor? Can you fill out the form today as well? Okay, I will make sure that somebody from DevTown is reaching out to you as soon as possible. Okay, Kshitish, that will be my personal thing itself. Right, guys? So we will be using CSS because styling, again, CSS is its job. So what I'm going to do right now, files, I'm going to create, okay? I'm going to create a new file, guys. I'm going to create a new file. I'm going to name it as style, S-T-Y-L-E-S, styles dot CSS. Okay, I'm going to name it as styles.css, guys. So you're having one file called as index.html. You're having one file called as index.html, guys. Okay, and another file called as styles.css. So, for example, your index.html contains all your HTML code. Your index.html contains all your HTML code, guys. Similar to that, styles.css contains all your CSS code inside of it. All the CSS code that you want to put, you will put it inside of CSS. Can you tell me the full name of CSS? Ajay Das, that is Cascading Style Sheets. Okay, Cascading Style Sheets. So, what we're going to do is, now, the styling, for example, I want to apply makeup. Again, that is a very bad example. I don't want to apply makeup. Okay, let's assume I want to wear a hat. That is a good example. Okay, because I am bald as fuck. Okay, so I want to wear a hat wherever I go. So what will I do? First, I will select my head. Okay, first I will select my head. I'm having a style that I want to apply. That is my hat. Okay, now is there a hat near me? Can I find a hat near me, guys? Let me. Okay, I don't have a hat, so I will use just my purse itself. So this is my hat. Let's assume it's not my hat. Let's assume that this is my hat, guys. Okay. So first I will select my head. This is the style that I want to apply, and then I'll keep it on top of me. Okay, and that is how I am able to apply the styling to it. So first, I want to select my head. Okay, right over here, I want to apply my styling. Okay, I want to apply my styling to the image tag. Okay, I want to apply my styling to the image tag itself. So first, I need to select that tag. Okay, first I need to select that tag, guys. So I will go inside of my styles.css. To select that tag, it's very simple. Write the name of that tag, guys. Write the name of the tag. IMG. Okay, that is the name of my tag, right, guys? Please do let me know. That is the name of my tag. Please do let me know, guys. So that tag I have selected right over here. Now I need to apply the styles that is there. I selected my head. Now these are my styles. I want to apply it to my head itself. Okay, similar to that, I want to change the width and the height of my image. Okay, I want to change the width and the height to my image itself. Okay, so what we are going to do right over here is that we are going to select width, 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 and I am going to select my height, height, height. These are two things that I want to change. Okay, let's keep the height as it is. Let's just change the width. I'll change the width to 50%. To change the width to 50%. Now, what is this 50%? I will be explaining to you guys. Do not worry about it. Okay, just listen to it. I'm just changing the width to 50%. So I'm going back to my website, reloading my page. As you're able to see, nothing happened. Okay, nothing happened. Why did nothing happen? Okay, I selected my width to 50%. Is it a problem of... Okay, yeah. So nothing happened, guys. Can you guys let me know why did nothing happen? I selected my image. I selected my head. Okay. I applied the changes that I want to apply. I applied the changes that I want to apply. But still, I'm not able to see a hat on my head. Why is that the case, guys? Why is that the case? So always remember this, guys, that whenever you are creating a website, okay, please remember this, guys. Please remember this. Whenever you are creating a website, only your HTML file is being read by your browser. Only your HTML file, that is your index.html, is read by your browser, guys. But right now, inside of your index.html file, are you able to find any occurrence of your styles.css? Okay, are you guys able to find any occurrence, any mention of your styles.css file inside of your index.html file? Please do let me know. Are you guys able to find any kind of mention about the styles.css file? So first we need to link the two files together. We need to tell HTML that, bro, your CSS, your stylings are inside of the styles.css file. We need to tell HTML that. Okay, so tell HTML. Now please understand this. Styles, okay, whatever styles that you're applying, is that something that is going to come up to your screen? If I'm going to write right over here, okay, width is equals to 50%. Whatever 50% means, we'll study about that as well. Do not worry. Whatever it means. Okay, is width 50% going to show up on your website? Is width, semicolon 50 going to show up on your website? No, right? No, it is just extra information. It is just extra information about one of your tags of HTML. Okay, one of your tags of HTML. So this extra information is what, guys? Metadata. This extra information is what? Metadata. It's metadata about your website. Styling is your metadata. Okay, so that is the reason why the linking that needs to happen between index.html and your styles.css happens inside of the head tag. Guys. Are you able to understand this? That while linking of the index.html and your styles.css happens inside of the head tag. Could you guys let me know? Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know, guys. Because your styling is not going to come up to your website. It's just extra information about the tags that already exist inside of HTML. So that is metadata. And all our metadata goes inside of the head tag. So link, I want to link the CSS file. So right over here, as you're able to see, link relationship. What is the relationship between your index.html and the styles.css? What is the relationship between your index.html and your styles.css? Can somebody let me know? Styles.css is your style sheet for index.html, right, guys? Styles.css is your style sheet for your index.html. That is the relationship between them. REL, relationship. Okay, relationship, guys. And right over here, you are having styles.css. Okay, right over here, you are having styles.css. The href. What is the reference? What file are you taking it as reference? Our file is styles.css. Okay, our file is styles.css, guys. So we are going to save it right over here. We are going to go back to our website, reload our page. As you are able to see, now the width of our DevTown logo is just 50% of the width of the entire screen. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know, guys. So now we have linked our index.html with our styles.css. Okay, so now in your daily life, what are the different units that you use to measure length, guys? What are the different units that you use to measure length? Okay, so you use something like, let's assume we use, let's see, meters. Okay, we use kilometers, we use centimeters, we use feet. Okay, we use inches. Okay, anything else, guys? Anything else that we use in our daily life to measure length? Anything else that we use in our daily life to measure length? Millimeter. Anything else, guys? Anything else? In our daily life, what do we use to measure length, guys? Anything else, guys? Miles. Okay, so all these different units of measurements we use to measure length in our daily life, right? In our daily life, we use all these units of measurement to measure length in our daily life, right? But in the case of your computers, have you guys ever sit very close to the screen of your computer, guys? Have you guys ever sit very close to the screen of your computers or the screen of your TV or something like that? You guys remember it? Please do let me know, guys. So if you sit very closely to a screen of a computer itself, you will see something like this on your screen. Okay, you will see something like this on your screen, guys. Have you ever seen this? Please let me know. Very close. If you bring very close to the computer screen or to your mobile screen or especially a TV screen, you'll be able to see something like this. These are called as pixels. All your computers, all your displays, whether it be of your mobile phone, your smartwatch, your TV, your laptop, your desktop, it looks like I'm rapping. Okay, so all these different things that you use, any display that you use, they are made up of pixels, guys. Okay, that is the smallest unit of measurement for any kind. Okay, for any kind of display that you use. Okay, so these pixels are basically, it looks like this, guys. If you just zoom into it, okay, of course with your naked eyes you won't be able to see it, but this is what your pixels look like. As you're able to see, every single pixel is just 3 LEDs, guys. Every single pixel is just 3 LEDs, guys. Okay, a red LED, a green LED, and a blue LED, guys. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. Every pixel is made up of these small boxes. Okay, every box is an LED, guys, and every box contains a red, a green, and a blue light. Now, you guys will be like, sir, then how are we able to see purple color on our screens? So if you guys have never heard about the color theory, any color in this entire world, any color in this entire world, barring none, can be created using just these three colors: red, green, and blue colors. If you vary the intensity of these colors, you can create any color in the entire world. If you want to create black, switch off all the 3 LEDs, black color. If you want to create white, switch on all the LEDs to full intensity. You will create white color. Okay, any color in the entire world can be created using a combination of these 3 LEDs, guys. Okay, are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know. Yes, they are also called as the primary colors. Red, green, and blue. Primary colors. That is their name. Okay. So every screen can be consisted of pixels. Okay. Now there are two ways of measuring any kind of thing. Okay. Anything can be measured into two separate ways, guys. This is called as relative unit of measurement, absolute unit of measurement. Okay. ABSOLUTE, absolute unit of measurement. Not absolute vodka. Okay, for those guys who are in college. Okay, absolute unit of measurement, and then your relative unit of measurement, guys. Okay, then your relative unit of measurement, guys. Okay, so what do I mean by absolute measurement of unit? Okay, this is a road. This is a road. I'm saying this road is 8 meters wide. This road is 8 meters wide. Now, if a truck is going on this road, or a nano is going on this road, or a small car is going on this road, the width of the road will always remain as 8 meters, right or wrong, guys? Please do let me know. The width of this road will always remain as 8 meters, right or wrong, guys? Please do let me know. Yes, it is never going to change. So this is called as an absolute measurement of unit. Okay, wherein I say that it is 8 meters, so this road will remain as 8 meters no matter what happens. The width of this road will always be 8 meters no matter what happens, guys. Okay, similar to that, you are having relative unit of measurement. Again, I'm having a road. Again, I'm having a road. I'm saying that this road is having the width of 2 vehicles. This road has a width of 2 vehicles, guys. So now if this vehicle is a bike, the road will be very narrow, right? If the 2 vehicles are a bike itself, the width of the road will be very narrow, right? Because this width of the road is dependent upon the width of the vehicle. If the same 2 vehicles are trucks, then the width of the road will be very large, because the width of the road is equivalent to 2 vehicles. Okay, equivalent to 2 vehicles, guys. So this is relative to the size of the vehicle going on the road. If it is 2 cars, then the width of the road will be depending upon that car, size of the car. If it is 2 bikes, it will be very narrow. If it is 2 cycle, it will be even narrow. Okay, if it is 2 trucks, it will be very huge. Okay, the width of the road is dependent, is relative to the size of the vehicle going about it. Right, guys? Please do let me know. Right, guys? Please do let me know, guys. Good. So what we are going to do right now is we're going to learn about some of the absolute and some of the relative units of measurement, guys. Okay, absolute and relative units of measurement. So for absolute, we are having pixels, px or pixels. For example, a button. Okay, a button is 400 pixels wide. Okay, a button is 400 pixels wide. So no matter if you're opening it on your phone, if you're seeing it on your TV, if you are seeing it on your laptop, if you're seeing it on your desktop, no matter how big the screen is, the bigger the screen, the more number of pixels are there, right? The bigger the screen, the more number of pixels are there. The width of the button will always remain as 400 pixels no matter what. Okay, the width of the button will remain as 400 pixels no matter what happens. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know, guys. So if I'm saying right over here, I'm going back to my code. I'm changing the width to 400 pixels, guys. I'm changing the width to 400 pixels right over here for the image. If I'm going back to my screen, reloading my page. So this is the new size of the image, guys. If I'm making it smaller, if I'm looking at the website on a mobile phone, so this is the thickness of my mobile phone. Let's assume that this is the thickness of my mobile phone, guys. Okay, so the width of the image is still 400 pixels, guys. The width of the image is still 400 pixels. No matter if I'm looking it at my on my mobile phone, if I'm looking at on my tablet, if I'm looking it on my desktop, everywhere the width of the image is always 400 pixels. Are you guys able to understand this? Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know, guys. Good. So what we are going to do right now is that, okay, we're going to study about another unit of measurement, that is the relative unit of measurement, that is called as percentage. Relative percentage. Okay. So what does this percentage basically means? Right over here, if I look at the code, okay, just look at the code right over here. This is our code, index.html. Let me put it up on the left hand side of the screen. I will put our paint on the right hand side of the screen itself. We'll make it a bit smaller in size so that you guys are actually able to see it. Okay, so right over here, if I make the entire thing, okay, so first we are having the head tag, right? First, we are having the head tag right over here, HTML tag, right? First, we are having the HTML tag on the top, right, guys? Inside of the HTML tag, you are having two tags, the head tag and the body tag. Okay. Inside of the HTML tag, if I collapse it down, the HTML tag contains the head tag and the body tag, right, guys? Please do let me know. The HTML tag contains the head tag and the body tag inside of it. Please do let me know, guys. So inside of this paint as well, I can draw it out. The HTML tag contains the head tag and the body tag right over here. Now, what does the head tag contain? What does the head tag contain, guys? When I'm opening this up, you are able to see the head tag contains the title tag and the link tag, right? The head tag contains the title tag and the link tag, right? So we are going to put the title tag and the link tag right over here. TITLE and the link tag. Right, guys? Please do let me know. Similar to that, the body tag. Okay, let's see. The body tag basically contains the h1 tag and the paragraph tag inside of it. The body tag contains the h1 tag and the paragraph tag inside of it and the image tag as well. H1 tag, paragraph tag and the image tag. The body tag basically contains the h1 tag, the paragraph tag and the image tag right over there. Right? So we can represent our entire code as a tree-like structure. We can represent our entire code as a tree-like structure itself. Are you guys able to see this? Please do let me know. We are able to represent our entire code as a tree-like structure. Are you guys able to see this? Please do let me know, guys. So what can we do right over here? Okay. Now, if I'm saying that, okay, I'm writing, there's a concept. So inside of a tree, family tree, you must have drawn it when you were children. Okay, that you are having your grandparents, then grandparents are having your parents, the parents are having you guys are having siblings to each other, right? Brothers and sisters, siblings out there. So you're having some relationship inside your family tree, right, guys? Similar to that, in this tree as well, you are having three relationships: parents, children, and siblings. Okay? You're having three relationships right over here: parents, children, and sibling. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. You're having three relationships in this tree as well: parents, children, and siblings. Now, what are parents? Okay, parents are the tag that is immediately above you. The tag, the node in this tree that is immediately above you will be your parent. Okay, for example, what is the parent of the body tag, guys? What is the parent of the body tag? What tag is just above body? That is your HTML tag. So HTML tag is the parent of the body tag. Similar to that, head tag. What is the parent of head tag? What is the tag above it? HTML. So the parent of head tag is HTML, guys. Similar to that, for title, what is the parent? Head tag. For link, what is the parent? Head tag. For h1, what is the parent? Body tag. For P, the parent is body tag. For image, the parent is body tag. So that is the concept of parent. Immediately above, who is your above tag? Okay, above tag itself. Similar to that, you are having children. Children is the tag that is immediately below you. Children are the tag that are immediately below you, guys. Okay, so what are the children of HTML? This children of HTML tag is head tag and the body tag, right? That is immediately below it. Head tag and the body tag are the children of HTML because they are immediately below it. Similar to that, title tag and the link tag will be the children of head tag because they are immediately below it. The h1 tag, the paragraph tag and the image tag are the children of the body tag itself because they are immediately below it. Right, guys? That is the concept of children. Okay. Now, what are siblings? Siblings are blood related. Okay, not your cousins. Okay, not your cousins. Siblings. Siblings are those that have an immediate common parent, right, guys? If there are two children, then their immediate parent will be the same, right? Only then they are siblings. You guys able to understand it? Basically, you and your brother or you and your sister will be having the same parents, right, guys? Only then you are siblings to each other. You and your cousins are cousins. You are not siblings because your parents are different. because your immediate parents are different. So you're not siblings, you're cousins. And concept of cousins do not come up in this tree. Concept of cousins do not exist in this tree. Only siblings exist. So right over here, for example, head tag and body tag. What is their immediate common parent, guys? HTML, right? For head tag as well, the parent is HTML. For body tag as well, it is HTML. So your head tag and body tag are siblings to each other. Your head tag and body tag are siblings to each other. Right, guys? Please let me know. Similar to that, title tag and link have the same parent, that is head tag. Title tag and link have the same parent, that is head tag. So they are siblings to each other. H1 tag, paragraph tag and image. Okay, H1 tag, paragraph tag and image. These are also having the same parent, that is the body tag. So they are also siblings to each other. But what about link and H1 tag, guys? What about link and H1 tag? Link has the parent of head. H1 tag has the parent of body. Their parents are not same, so they are not siblings. They are not siblings, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know, guys. Good. Amazing, guys. So what we're going to do right now is that so the concepts of parents, children and siblings are very clear to you guys. Now I will explain you the concept of percentage. Okay, now I'm going to explain you the concept of percentage, guys. If I'm writing that the image tag is having a width of 50%. Okay, if I'm saying the image tag is having a width of 50%, that means I'm saying the width of the image tag. The width of the image tag is 50% the width of the body tag. The immediate common parent, okay, is 50% of its parent. Okay, your width of the image tag is 50%. That means I'm saying that the width of the image tag is just 50% of the parent tag. What is the parent tag of the image tag? Can you guys let me know? What is the parent tag of the image tag? Could you guys let me know? What is the parent of the image tag, guys? Could you guys let me know? The body tag, right? So body tag basically means your entire website. Your body tag basically means your entire website, guys. So the width of the image tag is 50% of its parent element. Now I don't know what is the parent element. The parent element could have been anything. Here in this case, in this example, it is the body tag. So it is 50% of the body tag itself. It's 50% of the body tag. So right over here, if I'm going down right over here, if I'm changing it to 50% and saving it, okay, now please understand the width of your body tag is basically the width of your screen. Okay, the width of your screen itself. Right over here, as you're able to see, this is the width of the current screen that we are having. So it is 50% of the width of your browser. It's 50% the width of your browser itself. If I'm watching it on my mobile phone, I'm watching it on my mobile phone itself, as you're able to see, the width of the DevTown is also decreasing. The width of the image is still 40% the width of your body tag. That is your browser. Width of the body tag, that is your browser. So whatever my width of my screen is, depending upon that, the width is of my image is also changing. That is, my image is now relative to the width of the parent tag. Okay, width of the parent tag itself. It is not fixed at 400 pixels. It is continuously changing. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know, guys. Somebody is asking, what if 25%? So if it is 25% itself, then in that case, it will be 1/4 of the width of the screen. 1/4 of the width of the screen itself, right, guys? So right over here, if I'm changing it to 25%, that would be 25% of the width of my screen. Now I want to change the color of the H1 tag. I don't want it to be black. I want it to be blue. I don't want it to be black. I want the H1 tag to be blue in color. So again, I can select another tag. Okay, H1 tag. I can select the H1 tag. I can change the color to blue. Save it. As you're able to see, so I've selected the H1 tag. I'm changing its color to blue. If I go back to my screen, reload my page, as you're able to see, now my DevTown is blue in color. Now my DevTown is blue in color itself. What other types are there, sir, for length measurement other than percentage and pixels? See, if we will be using it in our code, I will be explaining you at that particular point of time, because we have less amount of time and these are the basics that are there, and we want to start with web animations as soon as possible. So whenever I will be reaching that particular place, if I'm using any other measurement or unit of measurement, I'll be explaining you guys right over there. Right now I'm just covering up the basics so that we are able to start with our units of measurement, sorry, with our web animations from tomorrow onwards itself. I want to start with the web animations from tomorrow onwards itself. So I'm just trying to cover up all the basics of HTML and CSS that you guys need. Any new thing that we'll be studying while doing web animations, I'll be teaching you guys right over there. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. Okay guys, good. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know, guys. Okay, so majorly we have covered up how to use CSS, we have covered up how to use HTML. Okay, that is more than sufficient for you guys to understand the code. Tomorrow onwards we will be starting out directly with web animations, guys. There's a lot of animations that we'll be doing, some basic animations, some little bit advanced animations, how to integrate JavaScript into it. So we'll be studying a little bit about JavaScript as well, so that we are able to understand the code and I'm able to make you understand what I'm doing. Okay, so you guys don't have to worry about it. So now I will be giving you guys the attendance for today's class. I will be giving you guys the attendance for today's class. You'll be having 5 minutes to fill out your attendance. Use the exact same email that you have used yesterday. Okay, you have used the exact same email that you have used just in yesterday's attendance. Otherwise, you will not be able to get your attendance itself. Okay, use the exact same email ID, and your attendance link always works. There's never a time when the attendance link is not working. So if you're not able to load it up, just refresh the page. If you're not able to load it up, just refresh the page, guys. Are you guys able to understand it? Please let me know. You have to refresh the page. Please do not forget about it. Do not come to me at a later point of time saying the link was not working. The link always works. If it's not working for you, just refresh the page. You will have 5 minutes to fill out your attendance, guys. 5 minutes to fill out your attendance. Okay. So did you guys understood everything that I taught you guys in today's class? Attendance link I'll be sharing whenever I want to share. First, answer some of the questions that I'm having. Okay. Are you guys able to understand everything that we learned in today's class, guys? Please let me know. Good. Amazing, guys. Amazing. So if you guys are able to understand everything, just take a minute. Okay. Just like and subscribe to the video as well. It will be very helpful for us. Okay. In the meantime, I'm going to share the attendance link with you guys. Can we take an aim before sharing the attendance? Can we take an aim for at least 800 likes and subscribes? Please let me know. Can we take an aim for 800 likes and subscribe before sharing the attendance link? Please let me know, guys. Can we take up an aim for 800 likes and subscribes, guys, before sharing the attendance link? See, guys, it will take a minute for you guys. Just scroll a little bit down below, press on 2 buttons, and that would be it. Okay, that would be it, guys. Okay, great. So as soon as we are hitting 800 likes and subscribes, I will be sharing the attendance link. Okay, will that be fine, guys? Please let me know. And for those guys who are not able to, sir, yes, sir, 1 lakh likes, 1,000 likes by 800. No issues in that. Okay. So again, guys, we will do it for you guys. So you forgot about the bell icon. So you guys can hit the bell icon as well if you want to attend the future boot camps. In the meanwhile, I will tell you guys about it as well. So after this particular bootcamp, we are having other bootcamps as well. From 15th, we are going to start off with the backend web development bootcamp using JavaScript, Node.js, and Express. We're going to have an Instagram clone bootcamp using CSS and HTML. We are going to have an hands-on cloud computing bootcamp with AWS. So cloud computing, AWS will be learning all that right over here in this particular bootcamp on 22nd February. Then we are having a DevOps bootcamp for web development that is going to start from the 25th of February. So if you guys are interested to join the other bootcamps as well, again, all of them are free. All of them are certified by Google and Microsoft. So if you guys want to join these bootcamps as well, you guys can definitely join the same. Okay, from our website, register for them, and it would be great to see you guys right over there as well. Okay. Okay, guys. So we were not able to hit our target, but no issues, guys. I'll share the attendance link right now. So this is the attendance link, guys. The attendance link will be closed at exactly 9:56 p.m. The attendance link will be closed exactly at 9:56 p.m., guys. Okay. The attendance link will be closed exactly at 9:56 p.m. Will that be fine, guys? Please let me know. The attendance link will be closed exactly at 9:56 p.m. guys. I've already shared the attendance link with you guys. Okay. The attendance link is also working right over here. As you guys are able to see, the attendance link is working absolutely fine. People have started filling out their attendance link as well. Okay. So we'll meet tomorrow again at 9 o'clock, and we will start with our web animations from tomorrow onwards itself. Okay. And we'll be continuing from right over there. So have a great day ahead, guys. Try to just revise what we have learned today, and we'll be continuing from right over there. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you.